We had this company, they were making paints. And due to new legislations, the paints will come over from solvent-based to water-based. As we see it more and more, the solvent paints are forbidden to use because of the dangerous vapors. And this also has consequences for the companies, because when you change over from raw material, this is not only has impact on your product, but also on your process. And of course, in your process is your pump. What we see is that where they first pumped solvent-based products, they had no problems. Then suddenly, their pumps had to deal with all kind of different raw material, which they weren't suitable for. On the other side, when you used a pneumatic diaphragm pump, it is no problem. They can do both. So in fact, if they make solvent paints or they make water-based paints, both cases the pump does well. In this particular case, they had the rotary gear pumps in use. These rotary gear pumps had a problem suddenly with the seals. They had leakage. When you have leakage, the product comes out, spills over the floor, and everything is messed up. And you walk through it, and before you know it, everything is under paint. And especially paint is difficult to remove, so you want to contain it in your system. Also from environmental ways, of course, if you have paint in your environment, you don't want it. That's the idea with replacing the pumps. Before they had a lot of wear on the pump, even if they started the pumps won't start up sometimes. So they had a lot of problems with it. Then they turned over to the air-operated diaphragm pumps. It was easy on their process. They didn't have any leakage anymore and no maintenance. So these pumps are in use now for 2 years with none maintenance at all. They're very quiet because of the use with the pulsation dampener, and they do low capacity, so the pump works slow. Not a problem. Another success story.